Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 2 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Now focusing on title of assignment XP22 Excel chapter 2 Cumulative Garden Furniture. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Question number 1 is Start Excel. You can download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see my Excel workbook. You can download easily from your portal. Okay, I have already downloaded this file. You can see here. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date and ensure that the format is set as a long date. Basically, in this question, we will have to insert a function in cell C3. Okay, you can see. Now, moving on Excel workbook, and then we will have to insert a function in cell C3. Click on cell C3. Then insert a function, press is equal to, then is equal to today into, then close bracket and press enter, then it will be shown date, and then go to the date and then long date. Okay, this is done. Now you can see I have done first question number 2. Now moving on question number 3. Set with column C with to autofit. Set column C with to autofit. Moving on Excel workbook. Then set column C and go to the format and then autofit, then autofit column width. Press autofit column width. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 4. Question 4 is that insert a function in cell D11 to display the item's name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute cell reference and then furniture return an exact match. Copy the function from cell D11 down through D19 to complete column D. Basically, in this question, we will have to insert a function in cell D11 to display the item name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Moving on Excel workbook. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on cell D11. First we press is equal to, then we will have to enter a function in here. We can enter function in here. Is equal to, then you can VLOOKUP function and then enter range C11 to D11 down through D19, C11 to B4, B24, C11 to B24 and then D29 to C11, B24, D29 and then 2, then false, enter statement, false, and then press enter. It will be show items name. Okay, you can see here items names. Okay, copy the function, the cell D11 to D19 complete column D. You can copy down the function D around D 19. Okay, it's done now. You can see I have done this question. Now moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 is that insert a function in cell F11 to display the atom price based on the provided inventory lookup information. Be sure to use appropriate absolute cell references and the function return an exact match. Copy the function from cell F11 down through F19 to complete column F. Basically in this question we will have to insert a function in cell F11 to display the atom price. Okay, based on the provided inventory lookup function. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell F11. First we will enter is equal to, click on cell F11 and then we will enter is equal to, and VLOOKUP function, enter a VLOOKUP function and then C11 we inventory we look up and from be sure appropriate C11 to and dollar sign B24 C11 to B24 and D29 and then 3 and then statement is fall and then press enter. It will be show price here. You can see 13.99 and then copy down the formula to the copy the function from cell F11 down through F19 to complete column F. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, then copy the function from cell F11 down through F19. You can copy this function from F19 F11 to F19. It's done now. You can see I have done this question. Now moving on next question. Next question is that question number 6, apply currency format to the column F. First we select column F, then we will have to apply currency format on column F. Okay. First we select this column F. All values you can select this column F and then moving on home tab and click on number group or select currency format. Select here and click here and then you can select currency format. Okay, it's done now. This question is completely done. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is that insert an if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due if the customer has chosen delivery. Column is equal to yes, there is additional delivery charges located in cell L11. If the item is not delivered, the total due is price. Be sure to use appropriate relatives and absolute cell references. Copy the function G11 down through G19 to complete column G. Basically in this question we will have to enter a function if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due. Okay, you can read this carefully instruction and then we will have to apply on Excel workbook. Okay, first we will press is equal to. Now enter a function if function in formula bar, then you can select column you can select E11, enter E11 is equal to yes is statement, enter a formula E11 yes and then SLS then L11 sorry dollar sign L11 and then plus F11 and then F11 press enter. It will be shows total dues in here. You can see copy the function down through G11 to G19, copy the function from G11 down through G19 to complete column G and then You can copy the function down through G11 to G19. It's done now. This question is completely done. You can see here. Now moving on next question. Question number 8 is that apply currency format to column G. Okay, we will basically in this question we will have to apply currency format on column G. You can select column G first and then go to home tab and then go to number group and then you can select currency format. Here is currency format. You can select currency format. Okay, this is done now. Question is completely done now. Moving on next question. Next question is question number 9. Question 9 is that insert the function in cell CI11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment. Okay, first customer monthly payment using appropriate relatives and absolute cell references. Price minutes sign into left of the percent value argument so that the function return a positive result. Copy the function down the columns. Basically in this question we will have to insert a function in cell I11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, then click on cell I11. Click on cell I11. First we press is equal to and then enter a function to calculate the first customer monthly payment. PMT function. First we will enter a PMT function and then L11 L12 sorry L12 interest rate divided by months per years. Okay, as a interest rate divided by months per years and then years in H11 and multiply by months per year and then total dues in G11 and then press enter. It will be shows monthly payments is here and copy down the function through I11 to I19. Copy the formula down the columns. Okay, this is done. You can see I have done this question. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that use quick analysis to insert a function in cell I20. Okay, you can read this. You use quick analysis to insert a function in cell I20 to calculate the total of all monthly payment in column I. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, you can select column I. Okay, scroll down in all values in column I and right. Okay, scroll down in column, select this column and click on this quick analysis and click on totals and then click on sum. It will be show value in I20 of some monthly payments, sum of all monthly payments. Okay, now question number 11 is that apply currency format to the column I. You can select this column and then apply currency format on this column. Okay, moving on number group and then select currency format. This is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is that question number 12. Type the customer name MG Goen in cell B6. Okay, Basically this question, click on cell B6 and then you can tap this MC Goen in cell B6. Okay, I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact easily through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, research, and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.